Here's just the 2 out of the 4 little cars. They are very soft on top. And they're very hard on the bottom. But you can take the Velcro off. It's hard to do it with one hand, sorry. And then you can take that off. And this is separate. And if you have a toddler, there you go, you can just Velcro it like that, and you can have it just like this if you would like, so they don't hurt themselves. This is washable. I already cut out the tags, and these are retractable. So you spring them back and they retract back. There's 4 of these. They do the same thing. You can just take the Velcro off and take the wheels off if you want to. But other than that, it's a good product for a little guy or a little gal.